good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I just thought I should update you guys on the Scirocco build. It is currently 7:33 p.m. I just finished work, and I should show you guys how it's looking like. Let me switch the camera and I'll show you where the car is currently at right now. So far, this is the Scirocco. Front end has been taken off, and I think that's the new engine. I'm not quite sure, but hopefully it is. If it's not, then the new engine is in the garage, and it's currently being taken apart. I am engine swapping it with a Audi TT engine. So taking out the old engine, putting in the new one. So now this is the current state of the car, if you guys can see. Yeah, front crash bar has been removed, wheels have been removed, the engine is about to be taken out, and the engine harnesses, and the engine is going to be pulled from the front, and then we slide in the new one, connect the new gearbox to the new engine, and then hopefully the car will be ready. So I'll come and check it out on on Sunday or Friday, I think, hopefully, and we'll see how far the progress is going, and hopefully next week around the same time the car should be back on the road. We had the only delays were from the engine, where I had to take time. I had to wait for the engine to come, then ship it to the garage, then move the car to the garage to get it fixed. Then after that was the only things that we're waiting for. But yeah, the engine arrived and the car is now halfway through, and hopefully in a few days time from today it should be back on the road. Fingers crossed. But yeah, I believe it should be back on the road. So if you guys want to stay and watch the full rebuilds, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, because this is gonna be a nice little build. I'm hoping to do a stage 2 tune on it. I already got a nice induction kit for the car, and I've already got some few exterior modifications. I already like the new wheels. I already like the wheels that came with the car. So instead of me buying new wheels, I'll just buy spacers and adjust the fitment, probably lower it a bit, and add a spoiler. I already got a spoiler for the car, got some fins, got some eyelids, a front splitter. They're already in shipment right now, so they should be here by the time the car is done being fixed. So it should be alright by then. So yeah, I'll catch you guys on Friday, and we'll see how far the progress is going. So now I'll head home. I'll catch you guys on Friday. What's good, YouTube? welcome back to another video. Today is the day we've been waiting for. Brought my friend's golf, and the Rocco is ready, and I am here to collect. It's flat tire, but the car is ready. And according to the video from yesterday, it sounded nice, and it does sound nice. So yeah, let's finalize everything. We are back. So unfortunately the car still has a few issues. Firstly, the brakes need to be bled because they were little to none brakes. They're not as responsive. So I left the car again so that they can get the brakes checked out. And also I'm thinking I may need a new turbo from the old for the new engine, because it looks like the older engine or the new engine, the turbo was probably on its way out. I'm not sure, because there's some slight white smoke, but it cleared off after a few idles.
Pothole reported ahead.
But hopefully it should be okay in the next day or so. So I'll keep you guys updated, and I will catch you guys on the next 2 days probably, or when I collect the car. But for now, I'm just gonna go and see if I can fit the wheels that I bought previously on this car instead of the other one, and also put the mirror caps so I can see how it looks. But yeah, catch you guys on the next one. I'll catch you guys home basically, because that's when I'm gonna be filming another video to try those wheels out and see what's up. So catch you guys home. Right now I'm on my way home, and I'll see you there. Yeah, so we fit the new tires. Car's looking clean. I'm starting to guess that it wasn't gonna look as clean on the Rocco as they look on this car. Now the car needs a wash, and I'm not sure what happened at the front, but if you guys can see, it looks like my bonnet is on top. I didn't realize this until now, but I'm not sure what happened there. And then now we need to I can give you those mirrors. Why don't you guess? And yeah, it looks clean. Now we need a tint and a spoiler, and we're good. So yeah, and we got the Golf. Look at this. But yeah, I'll catch you guys later, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the last video on the Rocco. So Mr. Jack, what are you doing to your car? You just realized you've been starving your car for the whole 5-hour journey, bro. Look at that oil. It's about to run empty. With the speeds we were doing yesterday, at least we were doing 50 miles an hour. At least we're doing 50 miles an hour for 3 hours. Yeah, but yes, oil fill up, and I put the gloss black mirror caps, see them, and I put the new wheels. Now what's left is my tint and spoiler, and the Mercedes will be almost ready, almost complete. So yeah, now we had to buy some stuff at the shops, and then we head home. So I'll catch you guys later. YouTube, what's good YouTube? So the car's now sorted and we're driving it back home to see if the smoke clears out. I've got my brakes now and for everything else, and the car feels nice. And also I've got my stage 1 remap still on the car from the previous engine because they're all linked together. So it still feels snippy and fast, which is nice, and it sounds nice from the inside as well. But yeah, I'll catch you when I get home and I'll tell you everything about if it's okay or not. And we have arrived. The car has no issues whatsoever, driving perfectly, and there's absolutely no smoke in the back. But yes, she's back. She's back. And I'd like to say this car is very fun. It's quite nice. You're going to enjoy this one. This was fun, but it's a nice car. It feels nice. Alright, Benz, you have been there. But I change it down. Change down number 4. I was a table. This is nice. So hopefully there's no more issues on this one, and just gonna keep an eye out for everything since it's just had a new engine, but feels great. It's now time to get home, and thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for upgrades and modifications on this car, and hopefully there's a lot more planned for this one, so stay tuned because you will not regret.